Hallelujah. That's right. Oh, my Jesus, I love you. Oh, this machine weighs about 7 kgs. You don't need to use a lot of energy, just switch it on, then you start washing your clothes. Oh, I'm next to a train station and there is a lot of noise. So, let's put some detergent. Because there are a lot of clothes there for. So guys, you can see these are my clothes, my uniforms and everything. So I'm going to close it, turn on the power button, and this, turn this, and it will start pouring water. It can't pour when it is open, so it must be closed, but I'm sure you'll be able to see it. Let's get some water that we are going to use to mop. Ooh. Yes, we have finished it clean. It's good. Oh, looks good. I need to clean this chair. Looks dirty. That's my Wi-Fi. Yeah. Guys, we are almost there. Yeah.